Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the basics in nunchucks. So if you guys don't know, I made a YouTube short a while back that blew up. It got like 63,000 views. I'll put it up on the screen to show you. It blew up. There were so many comments, likes, and I recorded a different YouTube short after, and that one got 1.8k views. That's still like a lot. So I thought, what if I showed you guys how to use nunchucks? So if you don't have nunchucks, you can get them from Amazon. You can even get it from like Mastermind Toys. So once you have your pair of nunchucks, you'll have two usually. Just grab one pair because for the basics, you're gonna only need one. So before we get started on the tricks, you gotta know how to hold the nunchucks. So usually people like to hold one end from the very edge, like this. Now that is a common mistake because you should hold it higher up because that will give you the most control on the nunchuck and it'll make your moves more precise. Now, if you don't want to hold it at the very top, you can hold it a little bit lower, and just whatever's comfortable, just near the top. That's the key thing. So hold it from the top. I like holding it up, holding it right here, and you only need it for now, just like this. All right, you can get used to it. Spin it around, just go nuts, but don't hit anything. All right, do not hit your TV. Don't hit your chandelier. Don't hit your furniture. Just be very careful. Do this outside. I'm a trained professional, kind of. So I'm just doing this in my living room. So once you're used to it, just like swing it around, have some fun with it. And once you're ready to learn the tricks, we will start off with the basic one. So the basic one you want to know is just how to spin it around your hips like this. It's very simple, and this can lead to some pretty cool tricks and it's a very good transition move. So you just want to hold it from the top and then swing it around your hip, just like this. Now do this a couple of times, and we'll get back to this with a cool transition move. So this is just one of the basic tricks. Very simple. Now, once you're comfortable with that, we can move on to the next one, with the next move. So, which is just over your shoulder. So you want to go over and then tap it with your other hand. So go over and tap. Now you guys might like hit it or like it might go completely under, it might hit your back. Don't worry, like that's very common. So just be gentle with it and just go slowly. It's always good to go slowly when you are starting off. So keep it over and tap it and then bring it back, just like this. Now you can practice this with the other arm as well. And once you're comfortable with that, we can switch to something. We can combine those two tricks together. We can go like this, and then move like this. You can even bring it down and then do it, or you can go diagonal and then go into the hip motion, like this. This is like one of my favorite ways to move into a more complicated trick. So move it like this. And then you can speed it up. Just be careful, you might hit yourself in the head, or you might really hurt yourself somewhere else. So yeah, just be careful. You can speed it up, and once you're comfortable, you can even do it with the other hand. But that is that trick. It's very fun, and it's pretty impressive too to someone that hasn't done nunchucks before. Very cool. So one of the next tricks I want to show you guys is the underarm catch. So it requires the other basic move that we did, which was over the shoulder and just catching it instead of letting it go back around. So you can catch it like this. I'm just gonna come closer so you guys can see. I want to catch it like this. Now just practice this. It's pretty difficult at first, but you'll get used to it. So make sure you catch it and make sure you're consistent with it. Once you can do it like 10 times in a row, then you are ready for the next step, which is once you grab it, you take it over and do it on your other arm and catch it. And then you take it over, go to your other arm, catch it, go to your other arm and catch it. Now, I'm doing an extra move there, which is spinning it like that. But you guys can go directly over the shoulder like this. This is the better way to do it, but to show it slowly, I do the extra spin like this. So you guys can do it whichever way you want. Once you speed up, you're gonna wanna just do it directly over the other shoulder, just like this. Very, very fun, cool trick. One of Bruce Lee's very, very popular tricks. If you don't know who Bruce Lee is, you should probably look it up because he's a very awesome nunchuck master. He does these really good tricks. So once you get comfortable with that, then you can like connect some of the moves. So you can go like this, and then start catching under, catch, 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 and then you can swing it around and pretend like you're Bruce Lee. So that is a really good way to start off and have fun with the nunchucks. Those are the most basic moves, just for show, and you can even use this for attacking if you want, but I suggest you don't do that in public, you'll get arrested. But this is the last move I'm going to show you guys, which is a very good attacking move. So I'm going to hold it to the side like this so you guys can see. Have one of your nunchucks under your arm tight, and then what you want to do is pull it forward and catch it back. Pull it forward, catch it. And make it very quick. So in slow motion, you're going to go like this and catch, over and catch. And then go super fast, like this. I don't think my phone can even capture that on video. But you're gonna make sure you're doing this continuously, and once you get good at it, then you can speed up. But I recommend starting slow so that you guys can get a feel for it. But don't go too slow, otherwise it's not gonna look very nice. So this is a good speed, and then you go. And then this is a good way to attack. So you go, ha, 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 and do whatever cool moves you guys want to do. So that is the basics of nunchucks. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like and comment and subscribe, because I might do another video where I show some more advanced, complicated tricks, and then you'll look like an absolute master. You'll look like insane. You'll look insane. You'll be the Giga Chad of nunchucks. So if you guys enjoyed, drop a like, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!